Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're designing in Wix Studio and want to create sleek, well-organized layouts, this video is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how to use stacks and add blank stacks with the Quick Add feature in Wix Studio, the ultimate 2025 guide. By the end, you'll know how to build professional, flexible designs in just a few clicks. Let's jump in. First, open your Wix Studio editor and look for the plus icon plus on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your Quick Add button. Click it, and a side panel will slide open. This is where all the magic starts. No need to dig through complicated menus. Inside that panel, find the option labeled Quick Add. This is your shortcut to adding elements instantly. Quick Add is a lifesaver because it lets you drop in essential components without hunting through endless categories. Add a blank stack now. Within the Quick Add submenu, scroll until you see Stack. Click it, and just like that, a blank stack appears in your workspace. Think of a stack as a flexible container that can hold multiple elements: images, text, buttons, anything you need. Why stacks are so powerful. Here's why you'll love them. Group and move together. All the elements inside a stack move as one unit, so your design stays perfectly aligned. Maintain structure. Stacks keep your layout cohesive, which makes your site look polished and professional. Flexible and creative. You can resize, reposition, or layer elements inside the stack however you like. Edit and style your stack. Once your stack is on the page, click inside it to start customizing. If it includes text, simply hit Edit Text to adjust fonts, colors, and sizes. You can also style the entire stack. Resize it, change the background, or move it around the canvas. Every element can be edited individually or as a group, giving you total control. And that's it. You've just learned how to use stacks and add blank stacks with the Quick Add feature in Wix Studio. This simple but powerful tool keeps your designs clean, organized, and easy to update. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Wix Studio tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.